Hello, welcome. We have order of operation question we are going to do together. Our question involve parentheses, exponent, subtraction, and division. We are going to be led by PEMDAS, and our movement will be from left to right. According to PEMDAS, we are going to start with parentheses, and since we are starting from left to right, we will start with the first parenthesis first. In the parentheses, we have a square that we are going to work on. So, from left to right, in the parentheses, 19 take away 2 square, it is 4. Multiply by the rest, you drop down. We are still working with the first parentheses. From left to right, 19 take away 4, we remain with 15. We are going to drop the rest. When we go back to PEMDAS, did we have any other parentheses? Of course, we have a parenthesis here to work on. So we are going to work here. From left to right, we have 15. Multiply by, I'm going to work here, that is 10 divided by 5. We got 2. We finish by writing the rest, that is take away 11. According to PEMDAS, do we have any parentheses anymore? No. Exponent? No. Multiplication or division? We have multiplication. So we are going to multiply 15, multiply by 2. From left to right, 15 multiplied by 2, we got 30, then minus 11. We will finalize by subtraction. That is 30 take away 11. We will remain with 19. Let's continue with question number 2. We have this order of operation question. It involves multiplication and subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we don't have any parentheses, we don't have any exponent, but we do have multiplication. So we are going to start with multiplication. 8 multiplied by negative 12. From left to right, this is the same as 8 multiplied by, in the bracket, minus 12, then minus negative 4. From left to right, 8 multiplied by negative 12, we get negative 96, then take away minus 4. For the integer here, I'm going to change this subtraction into addition, and then I'm going to reverse the sign in front. From left to right, minus 96, that is going to be plus, then this is going to be addition, plus 4. Negative 96 plus 4, we are going to get negative 92. Hope you understand the two questions that we have done so far. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.